Claire to continue with our assembly today.
Did you hear the grade ones are doing the October assembly?
Are you serious? That's way too early. They've only been in grade 1 for like 7 weeks.
I know they are way too little.
Welcome students, parents, family, and friends to our grade 1 assembly. We have already been working so hard this year and are excited to share some of our learning with you.
We started with a writing project called But the Coolest Part About Grade 1. We each had to come up with one thing about grade 1 that we think is the coolest. We each wrote a sentence and a picture to go with it. Here are our ideas.